Looking for the perfect blend of space, comfort, and convenience. All in Hallsville ISD? Welcome to 2672 Lansing Switch Rd in beautiful Longview, Texas. This well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath home sits on a generous 0.75 acre lot, offering peace, privacy, and room to grow. With 1,686 square feet of living space and a split-bedroom layout, it's ideal for both quiet retreats and family gatherings. Step outside to a covered back deck that overlooks a large privacy-fenced yard. Perfect for entertaining, gardening, or planning that future pool or workshop. Enjoy the best of both worlds. A quiet country setting just minutes from Loop 281, I-20, shopping, dining, and everything Longview has to offer. In the highly sought-after Hallsville School District, this move-in ready home is your chance to own space, value, and location, all in one. So whether you're planting roots or starting your next chapter, this is the right move for your next move. Schedule your private showing today, before it's gone.